Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change your name on the Duolingo app. If you want to update your profile name or correct a typo, follow these simple steps to make the change. Start by launching the Duolingo app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your personal account settings. By opening your profile, you will see a gear-shaped settings option in the upper right corner of the screen, which you will click on. Then, in the drop-down menu on the next page, scroll down to the profile option and then click on it. The app will open a new page where you will also scroll down to the name field and then enter a new name. In order to save, we must return to the previous page and click on the Done option in the upper right corner of the screen. Your updated name will now appear on your Duolingo profile. You have successfully changed your name in the Duolingo app. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.